This is the frame of the Rotor X Atom V3. It's got some limitations, like, no space left for anything. I wanted to upgrade it with better ESCs and an HD camera. This is then looking like this. Duh. And it was also flying like crap. That's why I thought, maybe I can build my own 3-inch race quad. Maybe I can even print it? That way, I could even optimize the frame by using much less screws and parts, and thus making it easier to exchange canopy parts and electronics faster when something breaks. And I'm sure it will. This is the construction of the first non-flyable prototype, or NFP1. It turned out that the room for the camera board wasn't enough. I had forgotten to measure the propeller length too, so the front arms were not long enough. Still, the camera mount was kind of good. So for the design of NFP2, I left that as is. As further development, I added slots to access the SD card holder, higher standoffs for the ESC board, and a cutout for the XM Plus receiver, and a railgun of course. No, just kidding. That's the tube for the XM Plus receiver antenna, which is routed directly through the frame. Pretty cool, huh? Here's the test assembly of the NFP2. Now everything seems to fit. The motor wires probably need to be longer, but the props fit more than well. That's it for today. If you like to see if this thing flies and does not explode on first crash, subscribe to this channel. Of course, I'm always happy about thumbs up buttoning clicking. See ya soon.